Tonight is the first night that I'm gonna cook. I am gonna cook a Black Angus beef, 21 days cured, so that's good. And some rosemary kartoffeln, potatoes. I was looking for the word, sorry for that. And then it's a bit special. I got some oranges, I got some small tomatoes and some small cucumbers, and that's gonna be the salad. So first I'm gonna do the potatoes, and then when they're done I'm gonna do the beef. Potatoes hopefully will stay warm. I've actually made a Swedish storage, as they call it. Let me show it to you. So this is a Swedish storage. I'm gonna light this one. So I'll do it like this. There we go. I'm gonna use this Firebox stove pan. No, I'm not sponsored, but I must say I like the gear. So I've got some olive oil. Yeah, in the meantime, I'm gonna make this wonderful salad. Like I said, yes, I know it's special, but it's gonna be good. I use the Sea to Summit X plate. It's really nice. It's a plate, but you can also use it as a cutting board. So that's what I'll do now. And the only thing is to make sure that there's a little bit more fire going. So much for the demo. Okay. Round number 2. Fingers crossed. Alright, I'm gonna do something different because I noticed this rips. So hopefully there's a little bit more air coming through. You know, on TV it always looks great. Now let's see if this one works. All right. Third time. All right, I'm gonna continue with my wonderful salad. Salad dressing, some yogurt. The rest I'll eat as a dessert. And then some pepper. Like this. I don't know if you can see this. Look at the colors. Not sure how it's gonna, but anyway, this is my salad. So this is my salad, and it's actually quite tasty. And healthy. Really good. I'm gonna try the potato. Ha! Warm. Oeh. I think I'm gonna eat. So this is the result.